Three of these things are not like the other. I'm at the Honda Element meet in Irvine. E150 with the Smurf grill, tall roof, fender flares, no lift kit. So stock next to an action van. Like, look at that mirror, look at that height difference. And then the Weldtec next to the action van. I'm with two of my buddies, Slick Rick and the Top Secret van. We Walmart camped last night in San Clemente. Then we headed out here in Irvine to participate in the Honda Element meet. You guys are all about the lift kits, right? So let's talk about it real quick. Action van suspension, Weldtec, same size tires too. And the action van is slightly taller than the Weldtec. So $5,200 installed, $3,500 installed. If you go base kit and you want to install it yourself, $2,089, and this one's $3,200. I always recommend action van suspension because, in my opinion and my experience, I've had both kits. The action van's every bit as good as Weldtec, and this one even has slightly more lift. Every bit as high quality as Weldtec.
Yeah, look, the suspension's a little higher.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna get a tape. I got a tape right here.
Yeah, so action van custom builds their coil springs. I thought they use skyjackers, but their coil springs are custom built. Weldtec uses skyjackers, and as you could see, the action van looks tighter. Fender flares. The Top Secret van also has fender flares. The guy who owns this van makes these. So check this out. He made me a set for my van and was kind enough to make them in black. Details on that soon when I get that on my van. I'll let you guys know where to buy them, but that's the next thing for my van. We're gonna put those black fender flares. Slick Rick has some fender flares, and these are custom made. One of you asked me if Slick Rick has a channel. He doesn't post anything, but you wanted to see more of his van. There you go, there's Slick Rick's van.
Maybe I should, but I'll be called Hobo Rick.
There you go, Hobo Rick. That's what he's gonna call his channel. Hey, I'll give you a shout out. Nah, you're Slick Rick. Hobo Slick Rick.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go, Slick Rick cooked some food out here. There you go. Shout out to Action Van Suspension. Shout out to Larry. You know I'm all about the lift kits with my vans. Here we go. We got a lifted Honda Element right here. I believe it's a 2-inch lift. Sick add-ons. It's Slick Rick.